Does indictment mean jail time in New Jersey? Facing an indictment in New Jersey can be a stressful experience, but many people mistakenly believe that an indictment automatically means jail time. This is not the case. An indictment is a formal charge, not a conviction. Understanding what an indictment means, the legal process that follows, and what options you have to protect yourself is crucial. At Lustberg Law Offices, LLC, we provide guidance and representation to those facing criminal charges in New Jersey. Our experienced attorneys help individuals navigate the complexities of the criminal justice system to achieve the best possible outcome. What is an indictment in New Jersey? An indictment is a formal accusation issued by a grand jury when they determine there is enough evidence, known as probable cause, to charge someone with a crime. However, an indictment does not determine guilt or innocence. Instead, it allows the case to proceed to trial in superior court. A grand jury consists of 23 citizens who review the prosecutor's evidence and vote on whether to issue an indictment. If a majority agrees that probable cause exists, they return a true bill of indictment, meaning the case moves forward. If they do not find sufficient evidence, they return a no bill, and the charges are dropped. Does an indictment mean jail time? An indictment alone does not mean you will go to jail. It simply means you have been formally charged with a serious crime. Many people who are indicted remain free while awaiting trial, depending on factors like bail conditions and public safety concerns. However, an indictment is a sign that the charges are serious. Indictable offenses in New Jersey are equivalent to felonies, carrying the potential for at least 1 year of imprisonment if convicted. Crimes such as robbery, aggravated assault, or drug distribution require an indictment and can lead to significant prison time. However, a conviction must occur before any sentence is imposed. Your case will go through multiple legal steps before determining whether you will face jail time, including pre-trial motions, possible plea deals, and a trial. Until and unless you are found guilty, an indictment does not mean immediate jail time. The felony indictment process in New Jersey. Understanding the process can help clarify what to expect after an indictment. First, every case begins with an arrest or a criminal complaint, after which a judge will determine whether the charges warrant a grand jury review. For indictable offenses, the case moves to a grand jury, where prosecutors present evidence. The defendant and their attorney do not participate at this stage. If indicted, the next step is the arraignment in superior court. At this hearing, the charges are formally presented, and the defendant enters a plea. Bail conditions may also be reviewed. After arraignment, pre-trial motions and conferences take place, during which the prosecution and defense discuss evidence, negotiate possible plea deals, and determine the next steps. Many cases are resolved during this phase without going to trial. If the case proceeds, it moves to trial, where a jury will determine guilt or innocence. If convicted, sentencing will follow, which may include jail or prison time. However, if the defendant is acquitted, the charges are dismissed. Protect your rights with an experienced attorney. An indictment does not mean an automatic conviction or jail time, but it does require a strong legal defense. With skilled legal representation, you may be able to challenge the prosecution's case, negotiate a favorable plea, or even have the charges dismissed. At Lustberg Law Offices, LLC, we fight to protect our clients' rights at every stage of the legal process. If you or a loved one has been indicted in New Jersey, don't face the legal system alone. Call 201-880-5311 or visit our office at 1 University Plaza Drive, Suite 212, Hackensack, New Jersey, 07601. Schedule a free and confidential consultation today.